na ang dami talagang nawawala ng support. Magkaroon nga lang ng chismis eh, di ba? Hindi pa nga, wala pang no confirmation or denial. Nawawalan agad eh. But now, it's easier. Honestly, I mean, the shift, may shift eh. At kita ko yun, you see more people from the community, from the LGBT community, na talagang being embraced. Siguro, right now kasi parang nagkaroon ng shift kasi marami na rin younger people, you know, and I think, younger people, correct me if I'm right, but right now, more than image, what you value is authenticity. Tama? So parang ngayon, because of the emergence of younger people in the audience, mas nakikita nila yun, trip ko to, authentic to, gusto ko to kasi nagpapakatotoo siya eh. As compared to before na hindi, ang image nito dapat squeaky clean, dapat child star, dapat love team, dapat pa-girl. Di ba? So, siguro meron at meron pa rin. I mean, we're still a very conservative society. But we have, I'd like to think, and I'd like to believe that we have more wins now. We have more wins. We have shows like Drag Race Philippines. Diba? We have bars now, like our bar, Rampa. Diba? Na pinupuntahan ng mga tao. You see people from all walks of life doon. So, you have Vice Ganda. Ang dami. Ang dami-dami. So siguro sabi ko lang sa mga artists, this is just based from my experience. I mean, like what I always say, my experience can be totally different from your experience. But at least sa experience ko, ano tutunan ko, we just have to be ourselves, but not, for lack of a better term, huwag din nating isarampak sa mukha ng mga tao. Let them accept us for who we are. And find ways to make them understand. And, you know, on a very human level, and a very personal level. Kasi sometimes ngayon, especially I think, napapansin ko lang, mas woke generation tayo ngayon, we're all about labels. Oh, this is ganito, oh, I'm like this, I'm ganyan, I'm like that. That's, honestly, like ako, I'm part of the community, but there's still like letters within that LGBTQIA to Z that, you know, parang, sorry, ano to? And that's already me. I'd like to think I'm very open-minded. Pero mas marami tayo na, ano yan? Ano itong mga letrang to? Di ba? So siguro yun, parang, labels are there. Yes, I get the need. But for me, it's for the individual. Not for people to box you or for, alam mo yun? Pero siguro yun, I think we can always find different ways of connecting to people on a very personal level, sans all these terms, sans all these things. Kasi when it boils down to stories, we can always connect them.